In Taubaté, a small city on the outskirts of Sao Paulo, Brazil, we meet a resilient woman. Regiane is blind, but not from birth. When a band of thieves attempted robbery, she was caught in the middle of a tense situation and shot in the head. From that day forward, Regiane's life changed completely. After the incident, she determined to adapt her lifestyle to her new reality. Now, Regiane is able to use a computer, type texts, and update a calendar. But adapting her everyday tasks to her blindness is only a small part of the skills she has learned. More important than acquiring these skills is the ministry she developed because of her blindness. Now, Regiane reaches out to others who are also visually impaired. Being blind doesn't prevent her from showing Jesus' love to those who don't see him. On this Sabbath at the Adventist Church in Taubaté, Regiane preaches to her guests. This is one of her favorite activities. Her guests love to hear her stories, especially those about children. So today, Regiane also conducts a children's choir. She has tactfully chosen these activities to accomplish her mission. Through the Real Vision Project, Regiane participated in building a space for the blind. Here, people can join a Bible study group for the blind in a friendly and accommodating environment. The visually impaired people of this community feel connected and are thankful to participate in events suited to fit their needs.
We begin by giving praises through songs and prayer. We always invite guest speakers to talk about topics of interest with a spiritual focus. We also get together for refreshments after the meetings.
It's a privilege for me to know that, despite our limitation and weakness, God can use me in this ministry with this group. He can empower and work through us. This is a privilege He has given us.
We started with approximately 5 to 7 people. One of the joys of this work is that today we have 30 people coming to our meetings, with some 40 people having already come through our center.
Today we cherish a spirit. I can speak for myself, a spirit of love, affection, and friendship toward each other. And our focus is always God-centered.
I thought I couldn't do anything at all, but then I saw I was wrong. Now, I see that my disability shouldn't prevent me from doing things. I grow more and more as I trust in God. He is a priority in my life.
I am only involved in this ministry because I have become visually impaired. Now, my ministry in this world is to influence blind people with the message of the gospel. It's my joy and privilege to be used by God to do this work.
At Real Vision, the visually impaired accept Jesus as their personal Savior. They become disciples who actively invest their time and talents for mission. They are waiting for the great day Isaiah described when he wrote, "The eyes of the blind shall be opened, and the ears of the deaf shall be unstopped." Please pray for total member involvement. It's only when we all take part in mission that the gospel message will reach the entire world.